In the market we see that label runs are becoming shorter and shorter because the fact that SKUs, stock keeping units, are going up and up. It's not always easy to produce those labels in a productive way. But here we have a solution that exactly does that. It can produce labels in an automatic way. It can cope with the job change from one label to another one in an automatic way without the need of operator interaction. We are printing today on PP white from Basson. We run that into the machine. The machine is the Xeikon 3300, which can print in 5 colors. The buffer in between the printing press and the finishing device gives you some kind of independence. You can stop the finishing device without having to stop the printing press because the buffer gives you about 2 minutes time to do some actions on the finishing device. The finishing device that we are using today is the LDU laser die cut unit. What we are doing is applying UV varnish, then die cutting with the help of a laser unit, slitting and rewinding the finished rolls. What makes this solution so unique is that we can switch from one label to another, not only in printing it, but also in finishing it. The laser unit will automatically change its shape that it cuts when the shape of the label changes. You see that the laser die cut unit slows down temporarily when it changes from one label shape to another. But this is no problem because there is a buffer unit in between the Xeikon printing press and the laser die cut unit. One unique aspect of the X800 digital front end is that we are doing impositioning after the rip. There is defined where the labels are on the web. That information is taken by the vectorizer software and sent to the laser unit. On the web, the press will also print a barcode that will vary depending on the shapes of the labels. That barcode will be read by the laser unit, so it knows exactly what shape to cut at every specific moment. The process from ripping the different labels, putting it in position, the vectorizer software that sends the information to the laser unit is very easily automated. And as such, there is no operator action anymore needed. So this makes this solution a very unique solution to print short-run labels in a very productive way.